Clear on the left, you got about 2 feet of clearance up top.
Roger that, bringing her in.
There it is, the behemoth.
Wow. It's even bigger than the report said.
Look at that rust.
Oh, how are we even going to start on this?
This section here, the red highlights show maximum stress. The frame won't hold the added weight without significant reinforcement.
Compressors bolted and the electrical shielding verified, we conduct the HVAC pressure test, ensuring the system is leak-free.
Bring it down slowly.
Watch the left side.
Easy, easy. Hold it right there.
The engine is running. It's beautiful.
Behold, the culmination of engineering and design, the world's biggest ambulance.